You know that sound. Soyez les bienvenus. Welcome back po with our French. Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Plural adjectives in French. Same rule, but different endings. Masculine, feminine, singular, singulier, plural, pluriel, and French adjectives love to agree. Okay? So, learn the patterns, spot the endings, and you're golden. Are you ready? Let's go! So, l'adjectif qualificatif, le pluriel. We have the masculin et féminin en pluriel. Okay? Les terminaisons ne changent pas. Ang ending po ay hindi nagpapalit, doesn't change at all, okay? But there's an exemption, pompier. Okay? Ne change pas. Ne pas is not. So change, change in the same in English, but we don't pronounce the same thing. The pronunciation is ne change pas. Okay? Ne change pas. Okay. What are they? First, the word malade. Malade. Malade is sick. Okay? Il est malade ou same in femina, elle est malade. She is sick. And then masculine pluriel, malade, we add only S. And femina, we add also an S. But when we pronounce, it's just the same. Malade et malade. Okay? But with S, it's plural. Okay. Next, mince. Mince is thin. So, mince, M-E-N-C-E. Yung E-N po is pronounced kama A. Mince. Like for example, another example ng en is vin. Yung vin, parang vin. Yung vin, yung wine, vin. It's not bin, but it's vin. V-E-N. We pronounce it as vin. Then we have Franklin Roosevelt. Franklin Roosevelt is not Franklin, but is Frankla. Lo en do lin Franklin, it will become Frankla. Invalide, yung invalid, invalide en français, invalide, because en is pronounced as a. Donc, mince, mince, féminin. En pluriel, we just add S, M-E-N-C-E with S, mince, mince. We don't pronounce the S. Next, we have élève. Élève is a pupil. Pupil is a estudyante sa elementary. Élève. Élève, élève. Same in femina, élève. But in plural, we just add S and we don't pronounce the S. Élève, élève. Okay? Élève. Next, pompier. Pompier is a firefighter. Pag femina, they said pompier, but they said the others, they said pompier. But it's not good to hear, but they said pompier. Pompier with S, pompier with S. Okay? Pompier with S. Okay, next, we have médecin. Médecin is a doctor. Médecin. Regardez, médecin. C-E-N. Okay? C-E-N, it's pronounced comme médecin. Okay? But médicament is the medicine. Okay? Medicine in English. Medicine. Medicine in English, but in French is médicament, yung mga gamot. Okay? Ganun, medicines, pero in French is médicament. But when you say médecin, medicine in French is the profession. The doctor, she's taking, he wants to take a doctor, become a doctor. Il prend le étude médecine. Étude médecine. So, yun yung school niya. Nag-aaral siya ng maging doktor. Pero ang ano po doon is medicine. Okay? Medicine o médecin. pag doktor na. Okay? Get it? Pag medikamo, yun ang mga gamot. Okay? It's not the same. Medsa is a doctor. Next, we have, so it's just the same. We just add with the plural even it's masculine or femina. Same in English, doctor, doctor, doctor. But in Tagalog, we are doctor, doctora. It's different, okay? In Tagalog. But in English and in French, it's just the same. Medsa or doctor, even a man or a woman. And then we have dentist, 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 hindi siya dentist, no? It's dentist. Okay? Either feminine or masculine, there's e at the end, and then for plural, we just add s. Dentist, dentist. Get them all? Okay. So, répétez s'il vous plaît. So, we have malade, mince, élève, pompier, médecin et dentiste. Merci. Now, let's use our examples, our qualificative adjective in sentences, okay? So that you will understand better. You will know if it is masculine or feminine. And you can hear how to pronounce. That is very important. The pronunciation, la prononciation en France is not the same in English when we pronounce. Example, mince. Mince is thin, okay? Example, le garçon est mince. Le garçon est mince, okay? The boy is thin. The boy. Payat ang lalaki, no? Mambata. Next, femina. La fille est mince. It's just the same. La fille est mince. The girl is thin. Payat ang babae. Okay? Ang batang babae na yun. Okay? Get it? Masculine et femina, but it's just the same with an adjective. Next, we have malade. Malade, masculine, féminin, same form. Le garçon est malade. Le garçon, still. Et la fille est malade. Okay? The boy is sick. Donc, garçon est malade et la fille est malade. Get? It's just the same. But the subject changes. Okay? Masculine ou féminin. But the adjective is the same. Get it? Merci po. Let's continue with élève. Élève as a student, a pupil. Okay? Student. L'élève est intelligent. Now, we use l'élève. We cannot use le élève because there's a vowel. There are two vowels. Okay? Il y a deux voyelles. Donc, we need to use l'apostrophe. L'élève est intelligent. Okay? The student is intelligent. Okay? Matalino ang estudyante. It's just the same with l'élève. But, look at the difference with intelligente. L'élève est intelligente. Okay? Intelligente. Okay? So, we will use that one because because l'élève est intelligente because it's feminine. But the nom élève is still the same. Okay? But we need to know if it is masculine or feminine. Get it? The difference of masculine and feminine with élève. Next, we have pompier or pompière. Okay? Le pompier travaille. The firefighter works. Nagtatrabaho ang bombero. Bombero, no? In feminine, la pompière travaille. La pompière travaille. Mais the pompière, la female firefighter works. Okay? So, pompier, pompière. They said they don't, sometimes they only use pompier. Okay? So, élève et pompier. Okay, merci. And to finish with two examples, we have le médecin as a doctor and le dentist, our dentist. Okay? It doesn't change at all. Okay? Example po. Le médecin est gentil. The doctor is kind. Mabait ang doktor niya. Next, féminin. La médecin est gentille. La médecin est gentille. La female doctor is kind. Mabait ang babaeng doktor. Okay? Next. Dentiste. Same. The same. Le dentiste est sérieux. The dentist is serious. Seryoso ang dentista niya. But the female dentist, la dentiste est sérieuse. La dentiste est sérieuse. La female dentist is serious. Seryoso ang dentista niya. Look at our examples. Le médecin. Le is masculin. Médecin est masculin. Gentil est masculin. Gentil. But la médecin, la is féminin. Médecin, c'est féminin. Gentil is féminin. Donc, it should accord tous. No? Dapat pare-parehas. They should be all together. It's féminin. But masculin, it should be masculin. Same with the dentist. Le dentiste est sérieux because le is masculin. Dentist is masculin. Sérieux is masculin. Then, la is féminin. Dentist is féminin. Sérieuse, c'est féminin. So, all of them are féminin. Okay, you get it? Donc, so that's the rule. You need to know the rule, the golden rule in French to have the adjective qualificatif en pluriel. And if there are many, les médecins et les dentistes, but we need to add S at the end because they are plural. Okay, I hope you get them all. And please don't forget them. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment for more videos. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir et à bientôt tout le monde. Ciao, ciao.